Road trip!
Alyson, it's time for another? Okay. Yeah, okay, so right now we are heading towards the Brockville Railway Tunnel. It's one of the historic landmarks here in Ontario. It's the oldest railway tunnel here in Canada. So yeah, we wanted to check it out. We have a free time today. It's Daddy's day off and Mommy's time off. These two kids doesn't have school yet. So we're making the most out of summer. So let's go.
Silly girl.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
We are here at the Brockville Tunnel. It's a railway tunnel here in Brockville, and it is a historic landmark that's located in downtown Brockville. And this is also the oldest railway tunnel here in Canada. So yeah, we're here checking it out.
Oh wow, look at that.
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a breath.
Hey guys, so we are now inside the tunnel, and as you can see, there is nice lighting. They have the tunnel is well lit. There's also a train ride here that kids can enjoy as well. So when you go inside the tunnel, there's no fee at all. So yeah, it's free for anybody who wants to come in and experience the railway tunnel.
Closing your eyes, I will be beside you, and my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. 'Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day around the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I'm in time traveling. today I am time traveling. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling.